Welcome back. You can make a Zapier connection inside an individual product. For example, if we were to go inside of one of our products and we were to come down to the point in which we can create a new connection or integration. When we click that new creation, we can then select a specific service. When we select the service, we can then select Zapier. That's going to bring us to this screen. And we're going to give this connection a name. And you're going to notice that you're going to have an API key, and you're going to need this API key when you connect to Zapier. What you're then going to do is you're going to click Create a Zap. Now, assuming that you already have a Zapier account, you're going to want to log in to your Zapier account in order to accept the invite. You're going to want to give your Zap an internal name here inside of your account. What you're then going to do is choose a specific event. And you can use any one of these settings. So for example, we can make the connection to be one that's going to be based on a new affiliate request. We're then going to do is click Continue. We're then going to choose a specific Zapier account. We're then going to connect a new account. And what you're going to do is to place the API key inside of the dialog box and then click Yes, Continue. What you can then do is click Continue. What you'll then do is you'll choose a specific offer inside of your Zapier account. And you'll choose the specific offer. Once you have done this, you will have made the initial connection to Zapier, and you can then begin to make Zapier a connection with another third-party application. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.